So here we have a sports massage technique called fascial manipulation plus pen and stretch. So Trevor here's having some lower back pain, and so this pain, he's been having it mainly localized to the lower back, but also radiating down sometimes towards his hip, towards his SI joint. So a lot of times this can be caused by a muscle in that lower back, that QL. So that's one that we'll be working on today. So first I'm gonna find the bottom rib, top of the hip, and then from there I'm gonna feel around. And after doing a few other tests, I'll have a suspicion. Oh, there we go, found a little knot right there. So here I'm gonna drop an elbow. First, I'm gonna hold firm pressure. He should feel some mild to moderate discomfort with this, but I still want him to breathe. So Trevor, give me 3 big breaths, sir. And every exhalation, I'm just gonna sink a little bit further with that elbow. Very good, one more. Awesome. Now, I would repeat that a few times on the QL just because it's a pretty big, meaty muscle, so we can have multiple trigger points or muscle knots. After I've done that several times then, I'll go back to my first spot. This time it's gonna be a teamwork activity. I'm gonna hook this elbow in, hold firm pressure, and then Trevor, I want you to take this top arm, inhale, and then as you exhale, reach your arm down towards the rower in front of you, down towards that bike. Exhale, reach and roll that shoulder. Inhale, bring that shoulder and arm back for me. Very good. Trevor, do that 3 more times. So Trevor's gonna exhale and reach. Inhale, bring the arm back. Good, and one more time. Exhale, reach. Inhale, and bring the arm back. And I would be repeating that again several times along the length of this QL right here of the lower back to release this muscle. And then we would likely follow this up with some exercise therapy for core pressurization with diaphragmatic breathing.